Hi, my name's Gabriel Brown, or Black Griffin. I'm here for Fleet Week New York, and I'm about to do some impressions in an F-18 Super Hornet. Okay, here I go. I'm on a highway to hell! Hopefully not. I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. I catch a grenade for ya. I throw my head on a blade for ya.
You'll never know if you don't go. You never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. And the people always told me, be careful what you do. Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts.
I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. That was awesome. This is the tale of Captain Jack Sparrow, pirate so brave on the seven seas. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger.
Look at this photograph. Every time I do it makes me laugh.
Oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know something wasn't right here?
You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. It's okay if my helmet hits the canopy, right?
You might want to tighten your harness a little.
Okay, sounds good. Bird's eye view. Awake the stars cause they're all around you. Wide eyes will always brighten the blue. Oh, you can't tell by the way I use my walk. I'm a woman's man, no time to talk. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. Woo! Here we stand, worlds apart, hearts broken in two. You have a dream you wish to tell, and it's just laughable, but hey kid, what the hell?
Shot through the heart, and you're to blame, darling. You give love a bad name.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. She said you're holding back. I said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me.
We just pulled 4 Gs.
All right.
Why aren't there so many songs about rainbows and one's on the other side?
Don't go changing to try and please me. You've never let me down before. Ooh, I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? There's 104 days of summer vacation, and school comes along just to end it. So the annual problem of our generation is finding a good way to spend it. Like maybe, and then I don't know what they do. Flying in an F-18 or if you love me, let me go. 'Cause these words are not enough for these scars. The fear of falling apart. Truth be told, I never was yours. The fear of falling apart. Oh, 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 oh. I summon them to love you, super not human, but I gotta do to get it to you. I'm superhuman, and if anybody rubs out anything, say it's chain off me, little goody, I'm devastating, more than ever devastating. Had to give a motherfucking audience a feeling like it's devastating, never fading, and then all the haters are forever waiting for the tickets here, for the celebrating, cause another way to get motivated. I make elevating music, you make elevating music. Oh, he's too mainstream. Well, that's what they do when they get jealous, they confuse it. It's not hip hop, it's pop, cause I found a hell of a way to fuse it. Memory, turn your face to the moonlight. I can smile at the old days. I was beautiful then.
Beautiful.
Fly me and let me play among the stars. Benny and the Jets. Obligatory. Benny and the Jets. What I've done, I face myself to cross down what I've become. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Maybe you just thought of me with someone new. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless death. Good God, let me give you my life. And at last I see the light, and it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is new, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world is somehow shifted. Oh man!
That was 5 Gs.
No way!
Yep.
I was raising my hand up before, and I was like, man, I can barely hold it up. I'm a sucker for you, yeah. Any road I take, you know that you'll find me. I'm a sucker for all the subliminal things no one knows about you. It's true, I'm a sucker for you. Whoa!
Highway to the danger zone. I'm gonna take a ride into the danger zone. Highway to the danger zone. Ride into the danger zone. Yeah!
All right! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I wasn't expecting that! All right!
You never say hello to you until we get it on red line overload. You never know what you can do until you get it as high as you can go.
Oh man!
You sang the whole time. I'm impressed. We just pulled 6.3 Gs.
6.3? No way! Baby, I'm preying on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive. Just like animals, animals like animals bones. Baby, you think that you can hide. I can smell your sentinels. Just like animals, animals like animals bones. Woo! That was awesome. Thanks very much for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to check out some of my other stuff. There's links in the description and at the end of this video. I want to give a huge shout out to my patrons on Patreon. Thank you very much for supporting me. You are the reason that I get to do stuff like this. Also, Fleet Week New York, huge shout out to them. Thank you so much for having me out. Rhino Demo Team, VFA 106. They are responsible for training the next generation of Navy fighter pilots. So they have an awesome job and it's an honor to be here today. Haha! I want to give a huge thank you to you guys for watching. Please like the video if you liked it, or dislike if you disliked it. Subscribe for more music and videos, and turn on notifications if you love me as much as I love you. And I'll see you guys later.